Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to make professional logo, make my own custom logo. Let's start. First I write rectangle, I draw rectangle, this, with this, okay, and alt and rotate with this, and again rotate it with this. And Control G and unite, okay. Then I will make ellipse tool with C, sorry, C shift plus alt and right click, and uh, this is like very simple, okay. And I will like it in this object, expand and okay, sorry, object and expand, then enter, and line segment and shift and right click to draw it, and pt bigger, and object and expand, and oh, okay, sorry, and shift plus right click with this, and ungroup, and sorry, and group, and this is C. We are going to make C ready. C is ready. Sorry. Shift and right click to even this. Okay. And then again, okay. And this is, and this is like very good. I think it's right click, only right click to drag it. Uh, Click the spot and right click and drag it with mouse. Okay. This, and sorry. Control 0 and shift plus no space bar. Sorry. I will make these kind of mistakes, so I will not make it again. And this. And this is like this. Okay, and control 0 and this uh, control G, unite it. I unite it, and this professional logo, and I will make it in seconds. And I object path, offset path, 3pt. It's 3pt is not enough. I think it's 4pt. It's enough for this. 4pt. Okay, and just right click and just cut it with this. So it's very good logo. I think I ungroup, delete, and here we are. Here the logo. So if you guys hope if you guys watch my video, sorry, if you liked my video, then subscribe to my channel and don't forget to uh, comment me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. And done. Thanks for watching. Bye. And if you want if you want this kind of a custom logo I'll make, so uh, you uh, you subscribe to my channel. And thanks. Bye.